Introducing the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, heated rear seat. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.